Game na. Sternocleidomastoid. Hindi siya nakita dito, but this is your sternal head of your this is your mastoid from the mastoid process. This is the connection of your sternocleidomastoid. It is attached to the body. So yung body nito. Yan. Can you sternocleidomastoid from your sternum. This is your sternum. Cleido, your clavicle, and mastoid. So this is the muscle that connects sternum, clavicle, and your mastoid. Sternocleidomastoid. SCM. It's not. Inferior thyroid vein drains the blood from your thyroid. Inferior thyroid vein, ITV. STA, superior thyroid artery. This one, left and right. Superior thyroid artery, STA. Superior. So magkaiba, inferior vein yun. Inferior is your thyroid artery.
Sir, yung nasa gitna, inferior. Tapos yung nasa taas na yung superior thyroid vein.
Artery.
Baka yun rin.
Superior thyroid.
This one is vein.
Superior thyroid artery.
Tama. Okay na? First, thyroid cartilage. If my question is like, what structure of thyroid cartilage? If I point in here, this is your laryngeal prominence. This one is the thin sheet of your thyroid cartilage, the lamina of your thyroid cartilage. Lamina, laryngeal prominence.
Ay, prominence ba?
Laryngeal prominence.
Lamina at prominence.
Okay na? Of course, your hyoid bone. Saan ba yun ba? This is a much closer look. But if I point here, this is still your hyoid bone. And here, this one is hyoid bone. Lesser horn, greater horn. Greater horn of hyoid bone, lesser horn of hyoid bone. Body of hyoid bone. Nakalimutan ko pala, body of hyoid bone. This one. Body of hyoid bone. Body of hyoid bone. What structure of hyoid bone? If I point this one, body of hyoid bone, greater, lesser, greater. Next. Why are you laughing? Thyroid gland.
Alin dyan?
Thyroid gland, ito. Ayan.
Yung cute.
Oh, yung cute. Ito. Ano yan? Lahat na yan, thyroid. In the back of your thyroid, you have your parathyroid, pero ibang meeting pa yun. Sige, next meeting pa yun.
Yung parang
Yan, trachea yan. This one is your trachea. Yan, that is your thyroid gland. Thyroid gland. In here, thyroid gland. In there, the peach. Structure. Trachea, of course, is this one. Trachea. Passageway of your ear.
Malapit sa hayon to.
This one is still your trachea.
underneath. Ay, sa loob.
Trachea. Subclavian vein. This is your subclavian vein. Yes, this one. Blue. The blue one are veins. Yeah, subclavian vein. Subclavian. Sub. SUV. Subclavian vein. Yes.
Sakit ako yun.
It carries what? It carries what type of blood? Deoxygenated, unoxygenated blood.
Oxygenated blue. Joke lang.
Ito.
Nanlilito. Puta.
Wala na tayo dyan, wala na. internal jugular vein.
Ayan, sir. Gitna.
Internal jugular vein.
Yung nasa taas mo ng sapilyan.
Oh, internal. Here, ito internal jugular vein rin to Then, in here, it is more small. This one.
Sino dyan?
Bastusan tayo
Okay na? Excuse me. Sino nagpapadot ko? Kay MC. Internal jugular vein, laryngeal prominence,
Si Bill siguro yun.
thyroid ligament.
Si Bill siguro yun.
Cricothyroid muscle. This is your crico. There's a cartilage here. Muscle cartilage. Cricoid.
Cricoid cartilage.
Cricoid. C-R-I-C-O-I-D. Cricoid.
Asan yung ligament?
Dito lang siya nakikita eh. Tandaan niya, dito lang yung nakikita. Cricoid. Below your thyroid, there is a small cartilage here. This is your cricoid.
Cricoid?
Cricoid. Cartilage.
What's the spelling, sir?
No, that's your thyroid. It's not seen there. Only here.
Below
Below your
thyroid.
Cartilage. Ayan, tinuturo mo.
Langs yun eh.
This one is your cricothyroid membrane. Yan, dito lang to nakikita eh.
Which one, sir? Which one?
Cricothyroid.
Ano, sir? Ano, sir, pangalan, sir?
Cricothyroid membrane.
Thyroid.
Kasi we have thyroid membrane. Connects the membrane that connects your thyroid, sir. Ha? Cricothyroid membrane. Crico. And we also have thyroid membrane. This one. Thyroid membrane connects thyroid. Thyroid membrane.
Body of thyroid.
Connects thyroid and hyoid.
Google lang ako.
Ano na? Okay na?
Cricothyroid membrane.
Nasa baba.
Tapos ito,
Thyroid.
Yung body ha.
Okay? What's next? Thyroid muscle. Thyroid cartilage, thyroid muscle. This one.
Ulit.
Thyroid cartilage, thyroid muscle.
Mahaba yun, sir.
Ito. Ito lang yun, thyroid muscle. Oh.
Uy, baka hindi mo makita na sa
Hindi, nakalimutan mo.
thyroid
The scalene muscles, we have anterior, posterior, and middle. Anterior, middle, posterior. Scalene muscle.
San sir yung ano?
Anterior scalene,
Anterior.
middle, posterior. We also have the levator scapulae. It elevates your scapula. Scapula is your shoulder blade in here. Levator scapula. Splenius capitis.
May ganyan ako, sir. Muscle pa nga.
Splenius capitis. And in here, there's a small muscle in here at the back. The semispinalis muscle. Ito. Semispinalis muscle. The muscle.
Ewan ko. Chest muscle.
Sir, levator scapulae elevates the scapula.
Yeah.
Ang dami pa nito sa loob. Daridigan natin yung next week.
Huwag na sama, sir.
Hindi, kasama yan. Para finance nyo kasi lahat. Ganito. Para masanay na kayo. Wala lang talagang model yung mga facial na yun.
Wala, may choices naman sa finance.
Okay na? Semispinalis.
Anterior, middle, posterior. Anterior, middle, posterior. Levator scapula.
Oh, levator scapulae.
Splenius capitis. Ay, ano?
Yan.
Wow.
Okay na?
Nice one.
Deltoid, alam niyo naman deltoid, ito.
So, sir.
Ito. Ayan, sige, baka nakalimutan niyo yan, ha? Dapat may pausa pag may nakalimutan deltoid.
Ito. Sa'yo may
Hindi naman, ano ba ang ano? Attachment of what yun? What muscle?
Shoulder and...
Superficial muscle of the neck. Platisma, di ba?
Yeah.
Ano yung two connections ng platisma? Deltoid and pectoralis. Pectoralis muscle.
Pectoralis muscle and
Chest muscle, di ba? Ang connection ng ano yan, ha? Platisma, ha?
Okay,
Ayun
sir.
na. Ano tayo?
Common carotid.
Common carotid artery.
Oh. Yung ano, red. Nakatabi ng, ano yun?
Internal jugular vein.
Internal jugular.
Common carotid artery.
Yes, sir. Common carotid artery. Isulat
Actually, yung common carotid nyo, hanggang dito yan. There are three branches of your common carotid artery. You have the internal, external, and meron pa isa eh.
Middle.
But all of that is your common carotid artery. Okay na? Common carotid artery. It is in here. Lahat ng facts about the muscles. I will get the side questions from it. Pharyngeal raphe. Saan yung maliit na gano'n? Oh, sorry. Hindi mo balila? Meron dyan.
Nakaibili, sir.
Pharyngeal raphe. Ito yung midline. Raphe. Pharyngeal raphe.
Mary.
Pharyngeal raphe. Pharyngeal constrictor.
Alin?
Inferior pharyngeal constrictor.
Yung pag ganun.
Ito.
Pag yung middle, pharyngeal raphe. Tapos yung nandito sa side, pharyngeal constrictor.
Ito, ano to? Lambuyan, ano to? Thyroid gland.
Akala ko tigyawat, sir.
Dapat alam niyo na yun.
Kung nakikita mo, alaay mo yun.
Lesser,
tinitingnan nila.
greater sternohyoid. Can you grab that again? And put it in the model.
Mas may time kita.
Bodyguard.
Sterno. Sternum, di ba? This is your sternum. Hyoid. Sternohyoid muscle. Ayan na, sige. Kunyari, ang gagaling nyo ha. Sige.
Hindi, natatanda lang yung mga ganun, sir.
Kasi nilagyan ko na to. Close up. Tingnan natin kung
Letters
makasya.
eat
Depende
letters.
sa'yo. Magaling mo.
Letters
Hindi,
eat.
dadami to kasi. Every, dadami to. Every meeting. Dadagdagan natin ang dadagdagan. This one, omohyoid, superior belly.
Ayaw. Berry.
Belly.
Superior.
Superior belly.
Belly.
Superior.
Ayaw lang.
Belly, homo. Homo lang, homo. Homo lang,
Ito
homo.
yung superior.
This one is, of course, your inferior belly of omohyoid, omohyoid inferior belly. Parehas lang yun. Inferior belly. Because this one is your superior, right? Inferior belly of omohyoid. Omo. There's a ligament here that connects your omohyoid. And it's called the omohyoid ligament.
Malamang, sir.
Oo nga. Sige. Stock knowledge, ha? Ano pa, next?
Aray, Grace.
Cricoid cartilage. Cricoid cartilage. Ano na yan? Ayun o, meron na nga. Mastoid process, of course, the attachment of sternocleidomastoid in your skull. In the base of mastoid process. Here, ito. Mastoid. Yan. That's all.
Dami naman.
Dadami pa to next week.